start working because I got a limited amount of time here. All right. So this is a Asus Tough Gaming F15. I do not have enough RAM, so thanks to my friends here on Rumble, shout out to Admiral Smoothrod, Beers, Noobs. If anybody's missing, thank you. Between the donations and just advice, I picked up the appropriate RAM. I'm going to go from 8 gigs of RAM to 32. Got two 16s, and I'm going to pull out the 8. And we are going to upgrade this so that I can do some fun stuff. So, that out of there. We have disconnected all wires and such, so there is no internet cables, there's no anything attached to here. There are screws here, 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 and here. One of these two is they call it a disconnect screw, so that it just pops up the corner and then you work your way around with the separation tool, which I'm probably going to use a guitar pick. So let's get to this here. Like I said, I've got a limited amount of time. I wish I had my magnet. All right. So, I'm going to move my electric box edge, give myself some room. Welcome to my tiny desk, which is so much better than having no desk at all. I streamed from sitting over on my bed before, so yeah. All right, this is my second screw. Now, most of my friends would be like, why are you streaming this? And you know what? I'm not a tech guy. I've made a lot of friends here on Rumble. They're tech people. And from what I hear, there will be soon a new tech VOD channel. And it will have a lot of stuff about how to set up and run servers, from what I understand is this person's plan. If I had links and I had the ability to get to it, I would pop a link in my chat. If he wasn't already online gaming, I'd ask him to pop it into the chat, but he is doing his thing. Okay, I'm going to move this one up here. So that means this is the one that's going to pop us up. All right. So, very important that you put your screws back where they came from. So, trying to be kind of methodical in where I'm putting these screws so that I know where they go. Right. This room's kind of dark too. So, let's see. From what I understand, you do this one. This one's going to give me fits, huh? Yeah, this one's going to give me fits. Let's see if I have a different drive here so that I don't strip anything out. That's the last thing I want. Let's see what they meant. This one is kind of a pain. So you have a really good driver set. You have a really good driver set, so take your time. Make sure you have enough meat on the bone. And this one should never come out. Okay, that's as far as I think it needs to come. Now, a removal tool, and it's suggested that I use a guitar pick, which I have up behind me somewhere. Where'd my guitar pick go? It was up here. Okay. Well, I don't have a guitar pick, so I will grab a old gift card. All right, there we go. Now, let me use this old gift card. Find the edge first. Sorry that it's coming off camera. I had planned on using 2 cameras, but for some reason, the one not working. All right. All right. So you just push in, and it should. Here, pops. There's one. There's another. Probably one here that I can't get to. Let's go around the front then. There we go. Another one. I'm not prying this apart because these are just little plastic clips. And everything that I hear is if you pry it apart, you will break your shit. Okay. So I'm just kind of putting my fingers in between to make sure that it doesn't just get pushed back together on accident. And another one. Okay. There it is. Now, this one, can't find the seam. Where'd it go? Alright. So let me see what you guys can see real quick. I think you guys need to be up here more. Sorry about the jerkiness. Here, there it is. Okay. Right here. This was that corner that I was having trouble with. The struggle is real. There's one corner. There's one corner where the power comes in, giving me fits. It's like, there we go. Oh, I missed the screw. That might be why it's giving me fits. The one in the middle. Oops. All right. There's that. The back is off. Set that to the side. Everything looks good. All right. So, I say you don't have to turn off the power to do this, so I'm not going to. I say that that isn't necessary. See over here. That's my hard drive, I believe. Yeah, there's a hard drive. All right, so I'm going to work with the one that I haven't gotten anything in it yet. All right, set that container to the side. I say you come in at about a 45. Make sure that that groove matches up. And then press down. Unless it's supposed to be on this side. Nope. Okay. Okay, there it goes. You press down and clicks in. Okay. Then to take it off, grab it here and here. It pops it up. Okay. That's our 8. Okay. Here's our second one. Coming in at like a 45. This one needs to be flipped. Okay. All right. We're in. And like Flynn. Okay. I'm going to position this over the top, I guess. Cover that up, supposedly. All right. I say you don't have to put that back, but I'm going to put it back. It was there before. I'm going to put it back. All right. So everything looks honky-dory. Grab our fins. Make sure I didn't mess them up. Okay. All right. So we're going to take our back plate, put it back over the top. Let's line up our corner screw. There we go. This one here, this one here, the little guy in the corner. Okay. This one came out of the middle. I'm going to go around here and I'm going to tighten things down. And as I go around, it should be, you should hear it click into place. So at least that's what they tell you to do on the videos. Okay. It helps to let you know apparently that you're getting pretty close to tight, because I know that that's one of those things you don't want to do is over tighten plastics, because then you strip plastic out. And stripping out plastic means bad things. There's no coming back from stripped out plastic. There's that one. Boy, oh boy, I hope that I didn't mess this up. That is something I do. I mess things up quite often. From what I understand, this is pretty straightforward. It seems pretty straightforward. How are you guys doing out there? I don't think I have anybody even watching right now, so probably because I'm streaming to my user account, probably. Knowing me, it never switched over like I wanted it to. I don't know. It's like I missed. Pull that out of there. Put this one down here real quick. Well, you know what? This is probably interfering. Let's put the security screw in there. Why? But this one really doesn't want to be dealt with. There it goes. Now it's tightening in. That corner was just interfering. The snugness of these two. Alright. Should have one in the middle. Good. Just go around. Push it in a little. Make sure that all your stuff has been secured. Make sure that all my screws are snug. If anyone's needing help. I'm not putting a lot of work into these screws because I don't want Don't want them to strip out. Alright. Now, the test. Let's see if I managed to mess anything up. Turn that on. Let's bring my power supply back up here. Put RAM in here for safekeeping. Was told it might take a few minutes for it to boot up. It is taking a few minutes. There we go. I have a loading screen in search of incredible Asus. All right. Let's see. Ooh, we got to boot up. And real quick. All right. It looks like everything's there. We'll open our task manager here. Make sure it shows us our RAM. And of course, all this stuff starts popping up. All the stuff. All right. I want performance. I don't need that. Thank you. Memory, 32 gigs. Boy, howdy. I think we did it. I think we did it. It shows 32 gigs. And I am... Wow. Sweet. I don't know why I'm using so many. Close. I don't know why I'm using so much all at once here. But anyway, all set. Everything's done. Thanks for coming along with me, everybody. I appreciate it. That's how you update your RAM for this little laptop. I'm now gone from 8 gigs of RAM to 32. Everything should go a lot smoother for me. All right. See what kind of trouble I can get into tomorrow. Later tonight, it will be probably golf with friends, party animals, any number of things. If Last Meal Podcast is out there and stumbles across this, don't hurt yourself. If you can't make it, I know you're sick. So, thank you, and see you later, everybody. Let's get it.